Hi, good day. Today is the first installation of the kitchen. This is just a part of the kitchen available. You're going to start off with some drawers. In this corner, we'll have a corner unit with a Lemans blind corner unit. So you will have the Lemans blind corner unit, some drawers. Then there will be the dishwasher. Obviously, there is the sink. You're having an apron type sink. Then the garbage will be going in here. You made it big enough to carry 2 bins. And this will be drawers. This is a handless design, so drain will be going on top of here to pull the top. The bottom will be pulled from there, and the other drawer will be pulled from here. Also in this corner, we come in this corner will be some more drawers, and then you will have tall cupboards going right to the ceiling. And in the middle of the whole situation, we're going to have the island. So these is cupboards that still have to be made. The tall cupboards for here, then the refrigerator, then you have a overhead cupboard. I'm here to show you everything on full. So what I'm doing now is just putting on the legs. I already placed the legs on this one here, as you can see in the bottom. It has 6 legs. And I'm laying out for the apron sink. The problem that you may come across is the plumbing at the back, but we will see how that works. And then the plumbing from there will run to the dishwasher. I'm placing the legs on now. Just a personal preference. I'm going to put them at 3 inches from the top. So when you put on the kicker, the skirting, the faceboard, whatever you want to call it, the kitchen plinth. All these are words for the bottom. More than that bottom. So what I'm doing is just putting it 3 inches from the top, so when you put on the skirting, the faceboard, as I told you already, whatever you want to call it, is approximately 2.5 inches in from the cupboards. This material is PVC. All the rest is made out of MDF and plywood carcasses. MDF is the material of choice for the doors. Use MDF because of the smooth feature to give it a smooth finish. You finish that. Some of these covers are actually gloss. And not quite gloss, but just normal gloss. Bottom leg has put 3 inches from the ground over. But the bottom one don't have as accurate at the top as this is just for leveling purposes. But the front has it accurate because you want to catch the straight of the plinth. If you're in and out, you wouldn't have one leg wouldn't have anything to screw on, while the other would have. Not be in the ideal position for you. As you can see, I'm just estimating this one. Yeah, man. Okay. Support. Yeah.
Plumber? Yeah. Jane.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Yeah, man.
Right, you got my website. It was in the short shelf, is right one second cost.
Alright. I know that ain't gonna be a problem, but you'll see what carry.
What the level?